Yo, D, what are you doing?
Me?
Yes, you.
I'm looking for worms.
What kind of what?
Yeah, they said the early birds get the worms.
Come on, let me show you where the real worms are.
Okay, let's go then.
The big worms.
Good morning, happy people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, as you've just seen, we're gonna go get some big worms. And that big worm is my new build for the channel. Guys, there's nothing more to say. Let's get into it.
What you saying, man? What you saying? What you saying?
You alright?
Yeah, man.
Guys, here she is. Long time coming. Have a look at that, guys. We've just left Copart. Time to get this back to the unit and start. Once we get it back to the unit, we'll do a full breakdown of the damages. I want to check out the specs and just give you guys a full walk around. Have a look at that. Guys, I am so excited. How nice is that car? If this is the kind of content you like to see, I want to bring you guys the best content that I possibly can and share with you what I love to do. So if this is the kind of content you like to see, help me by subscribing to my channel, guys, and making sure that your bell notifications are on, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. I love interacting with you guys, and it lets me know that you like what I'm doing, but more importantly, it lets YouTube know that you like my content, which in turn they will then push my content, and you know, it helps other people like yourself discover my content, and it will help me to grow my channel and continue to bring you guys great content. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of this car, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do another giveaway. I'm gonna do another giveaway this time. I think the last giveaway was really nice, so massive shout out to Elmo. He won the giveaway. We had a lovely conversation yesterday. It was really good hearing a little bit of insight about him and stuff, and he was bang on. So 250 quid I paid for that Audi A3. Well done. But this one, guys, I want you guys to, I'm going to do a different giveaway for the E-Class. Let me know how much you think I paid for this E-Class after the fees, because the fees were ridiculous. But it's still worth it, and we still move forward. So let me know in the comments down below how much you think I paid for this car, including the fees. Guys, we made it. Finally, we're back. Get this offloaded and go through the breakdown. Right guys, so we got the car off. We got the car off the truck. Let's go around and see what is wrong with this car. So, first thing off the bat, we need a new front bumper, and simply because the connecting brackets are all broken. Obviously, we need a new wing. So wing, bumper. This is what's left of my headlight. Headlight smashed. I knew that. So we're gonna get a new headlight. What I wasn't aware of, if you look inside, is the bumper reinforcement bar. I wasn't expecting it, but it could be worse, so I'll order a new bumper reinforcement bar and complete front bumper. Let's continue looking around. The grille, small damage on the grille, but I think I'm going to upgrade the grille to the diamond type anyway. I was a bit concerned about this side headlight, but this headlight is good. I've checked it, that works. The wheels, all good. Got some massive brakes on there. I'm gonna try to see if I can get them cleaned up, and maybe I'll get them powder coated. I don't know what color. What color do you think I should powder coat the brakes? Let me know. Keep going. Got no damage on this side. This side is completely fine. No damage whatsoever. The wheels, the tires are all great. Coming with the 19-inch sports wheels. It's got the AMG pack on there. Come to the rear. The rear of the car just looks completely untouched. No damage. The insurance company has made a mark here, but it's literally, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. I'm totally happy with that. Both the back panels completely fine, rear bumper completely fine, the roof is completely fine. I've got no damage to the front windscreen. It says no handbrake, but as soon as I connected my battery pack, the handbrake did work. It just doesn't start. So as you can see guys, the damage is localized to just the front corner. And yeah, I am happy with that. You let me know what you think of this damage. Let me know what you think of the car. Let me know what you think of my channel. Now that we've done that outside, let's go take a look inside. So on the interior, once again from the pictures on the auction, I knew that I needed a new driver's side airbag, which is dirt easy. There's a couple of clips at the back there. This pops out, put in a new one. You've seen me do it on my Audi A3, so I will. I need a new curtain airbag on the driving side. I'll put that out once I get the car in the unit. And I need a new knee airbag. I've already checked and sourced the prices of all of these airbags. I'm very confident that I can find them. They're very cheap, so I've got no issues with that. Over to that guys, take a look at this interior. Check this out. It's practically a brand new car guys. It's in such great condition. It's got the wood grain interior trim, which is absolutely lovely. It's got the big screen on the interior, so that should have the sat nav and the entertainment system. But the battery's flat at the moment, and I've got it charging. So once I get the car started, guys, I'll do a more in-depth look at the interior and the features and the spec. But I'm just solely wanting to show you guys the damage. Everything works. Everything looks great. I found this little Mercedes purse. It's got the full service. It's got all the books inside. So that's a bonus. I never expect to find that sort of stuff. So I'll just leave it all on there. One last thing, guys, I noticed. It's standard on these kind of cars. My rear seat belts have locked up. So I'm going to have to order some new seat belts. So the two seat belts have locked up. But it's a bit strange because the front one works. Yeah, both the front one seat belts are fine. So yeah. Okay guys, let's see what we got under the hood. If I can get it open. It literally looks brand new, guys. Have a look at that. Normally you can't do that on a car from Copart. completely brand spanking new. What was really good, guys, is the damage and the impact was quite low down. So the top struts and the top kind of structure of the car has not been affected. I've still got coolant in my coolant reservoir. My fans are still spinning. My fans are still intact. Everything on the front is still intact. Passenger headlight is still intact. No issues there. I removed the vent from here because I was messing around with the fuses to see if I could get the car to start because of the fuses, but it's still not starting. Let me swing my car around and connect it to the jumper pack, and I'll let you see what is going on when I try to start it. So guys, I've connected the battery power, right? And every time I've got my other car over there, it's running, and when I press the button, nothing happens. It just says start the engine, but I'm trying to start it and nothing happens. It comes on. See if you can see that. And then after this, you press the button again. It's meant to be starting, but it doesn't. If anyone knows what could be the problem, let me know in the comments below. Very frustrating. Guys, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. Let me know what you think I paid for this car at the auction. I don't know what I'm going to give away yet, but let me know. Right guys, so running into some issues. We're still stuck on the side of the road. Now, with the older Mercedes, it's just a straightforward kind of one kind of fuse that pops off the positive side, but with these newer Mercedes, I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've just done a test. None of them are getting power, so half of the system, the electrical system of the car, is all down. So we're going to continue trying to crack on with this, and hopefully I'll let you guys know when I've got an update once it's running. Right guys, just a quick update for you. So we've been on it for about 3 to 4 hours now since we got back to the unit and we got it delivered, got it off the truck. I thought that we could get the car started. I thought it was just a few fuses and stuff, but the car's still not starting. And I believe because it's a newer version of the E-Class, sorry, because it's a newer model, I believe it needs to be reset on the computer first, and I haven't got the correct computer. So I've got a diagnostic person coming out, and we're literally just still stuck on the side of the road waiting. So hopefully guys, by the time this video comes out, it's all running, it's all ready to go. But I'm not gonna lie, my excitement is slowly turning into apprehension, getting a little bit nervous now. It's a lot of money that I paid on this car, and I just want to see the engine start for the first time. Fingers crossed. But in the meantime guys, enjoy these cinematic shots that I've taken of my new build. I've got a company called Car Key Solutions to come out. They're going to connect the Mercedes Star tool. We're going to look on the car, see what all those fault codes are, see if we can get it out of limp mode, and see if we can get this engine started. So, fingers crossed. Thank you, man. Shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. It's a beautiful thing to hear that. Oh my God. Brand new car, man. Guys, Car Key Solutions. They get the job done. Car Key Solutions. It goes like that sometimes. It was a stressful day. Guys, it's been a long day. As you can see, it's running. In the next video, we're gonna start the teardown. We're gonna get stuck into this build. I hope you've enjoyed today. I've been emotional roller coaster, guys. If this is the kind of content you like to see, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss that. How nice does that look? So make sure you smash that like button if you've enjoyed the video today, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.